Oh, losing control into oncoming lanes of traffic, swerving, fishtailing down Topanga Canyon. And she's skating down Topanga Canyon Boulevard at Satakoy Street. And look at those tires. They are just, she's steering right into the curb.
A woman behind the wheel of a suspected stolen vehicle refused to stop for police, sending officers on a tense pursuit through the streets of Canoga Park. At first, the car pushed forward at high speed. Spike strips were deployed. Within seconds, the tires began to fail. Rubber shredded across the pavement, sparks shooting from the wheels as the driver fought to keep control. The vehicle fishtailed violently, drifting into oncoming lanes, barely missing other cars as it struggled down Topanga Canyon Boulevard. By now, the chase had become a ticking time bomb. All four tires were collapsing. Then it happened. The car jumped the curb and slammed straight into the front of a commercial building. The pursuit was over, but the situation was far from finished. Inside the wrecked vehicle, the driver refused to come out. Officers surrounded the scene, weapons drawn, ordering her to show her hands. Minutes passed. Then LAPD fired less lethal rounds, shattering a window to force a response. Finally, the door opened. Barefoot, hands raised, the suspect slowly stepped out of the destroyed vehicle.